Dun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have the AGM mobile smart pad P2, and yes, this is the second tablet product from AGM, and today I'm going to show you the appearance and specification about this tablet products from the AGM. And here we can get the basic specification about this device from the labels on box. So here's the AGM Pad 2, and then we got the dark gray color and 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. And here we can find more features about this device. Powered by Android 14, 8MP front camera and 50MP rear camera, GM1, nano SIM, 10-port 95 FHD 90Hz, and display resolution 1200 multiply 1920 pixels. It supports 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C, and also the total weight 229 grams, and dimensions 258, 169, and 5.8. It supports band 2344. Next, let's check what's inside the box. We'll go through the specification about this device. So here, let's open it. So yes, after we open it, the pad is here. It's in front of us. Let's put it aside first, and we can check other accessories inside the box first. So here is the SIM card injector. So this phone you can insert the SIM card and get the internet service. And here's the SIM card injector. And here, you give us 3 paper or 4. Sorry. So here also they provide an AGM sticker, Filing Glory, and AGM logo, and the mountain, AGM name, Filing Glory. This is the label inside. And also the quick start guide. To write on different languages. So very thick. And also paper book, and also here's a red decoration of conformity. RF power, frequency maximum. I think this is related to recycle or safety information, and also about the certificate, FCC, IC, the red decoration. Yes, and also information about for your body, for your ears, and also this is the warranty card, online warranty support. And you can find AGM. They leave their custom after sale service, and there's email here. So this is old paper stuff inside, and inside this box. And also here they provide so this is a charger, and also this is the cable. The Type-C to Type-C cable this time they provide. So this is good. Yes, Type-C to Type-C cable. And this time about the charging part is provide it's a 20-watt fast charger, and it's a built-in 7850 big batteries inside this tablet. And let's put it back, and then we can go to today's leading actor, the tablet. And before we go to the tablet, I think I have to show you the keyboard, wireless keyboard, because also this time when I review the review sample from the brand, they also provide a Bluetooth keyboard is for Bluetooth wireless keyboard for phones, tablets. So this is also can be used as a keyboard for this tablet. And also I'm not sure if they will provide free for the customers or not, but I think this is pretty nice, and this can also be your work partner and improve your work efficiency. Okay, so after quick introduction of the accessories and other stuff they provide, now finally we can go to today's highlight, the tablet. Okay, get it out from the soft plastic bag, and here is tablet. So now it's originally installed with the case, tablet case, and also this case is a very nice case, decent case, because also here you can use it as a stand. To stand it like this, and also here we'll open it. Here they provide a place to put the touch pen or the stylus for the tablet. But what's I get a bit frustrated is that they don't provide a stylus for this tablet products. Yes, so this is the tablet. But no worry, because I get another white stylus pen here, so I can show you how to maybe later on how to use it. And also this, you can put this here inside this place, so this will be perfect. Yeah, like this. You can easily to hand it on your hand, and also here we can wake up the screen and check the specification about this device. So here we go to setting path and check the specification about this device. First, it's about the CPU, and this time they use the MediaTek Helio G99, and it's a octa-core processor, max bandwidth 2.2 GHz, and for the CPU is mega frequency reached to 2000, and GPU mega frequency reached to 1000, and this is a 6 nanometers technology processor. And also we can go through the memory, and host here is the rear and front camera information, and also battery to 7850 with 20-watt fast charging, and the rear camera 50 megapixels. They use the Samsung GN1 camera for the rear camera, and also for the rear camera is 50 megapixel autofocus, and for the front one here, front one is the 80 megapixel FF camera. It's Samsung 4H7 4P camera, and I'm going to have a very simple test later. And here's the battery information, and real screen is 11-inch 1920 multiplied 1200 display resolution, and it's a 90 Hz screen refresh rate screen. Here I think we can call the screen information here. Yes, it's a auto 60 and 90 degrees, 3 degrees screen refresh rate for you to choose. So this is also very nice, especially for gaming lovers. And you can see when I use my two hands to hold it, actually the size is not too big. I think it's very friendly for me, because this time for the dimensions, length 2560 and width 169, and the thickness of this angle we can find. Now it's with the case, but if we remove the case, it's just a 7.5. Next, yes, I can remove the case and check the appearance. Yes, of the tablet. So now we removed the case, and this is how it looks like. It's the camera, and it's the dual color LED light, refresh light, AGM mobile logo here, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why they design like this. Maybe it's for the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines here, and this rolling button, and also the it's a stereo speaker, and here's Type C. And what surprised me is here they keep the 3.5 mm headphone jack here, but it's really at the corner. So this is a very special part, and here we can use SIM card jack to put the SIM card here, and you can use the internet through the SIM card. So yes, this is the so this is a 4G dual SIM card supported tablet. Maybe I can show you how to SIM card here. I can use this to get the SIM card slot out. This part. Yes, so there's 2 SIM card supported. Yep. Slots. So very convenient. And also about the price, it's very super affordable. It's just $200. And also the system based on Android 14. And yes, so this is very quick talk about specifications about this device, the tablet product from AGM, the tablet AGM Pad P2. And last, I'm going to show you the camera test. I will use this red. This red box to check the camera. Here is better. Maybe here. Go to the photo 2 times, totally 4 times supported. Pro, night vision, portrait mode, 50 megapixel mode. Of course you can choose more. Get what watermark, type lapse, QR code, AR sticker, paragram, slow motion. Another one we don't try too much this time, and let me see how to front camera. Sorry, my finger cover it. So this is the front photo. Also more you can choose. So this is the old content about the tablet AGM Pad P2. And thanks for watching. Let's detain the video for more cool gadget from here, and make a comment and let me know what you think about this tablet product. Bye bye. Guys, now I'm going to show you how to use the wireless keyboard and this touch pen to control the AGM Pad P2. So now it's already connected. Check from here. Here, connected. Connected keyboard. We can also use this pen to control it. So yes, settings part. Also we use keyboard. Google.com. We don't log in the internet this time, but we can try to connect to the internet. Use this. Keyboard. Already connected. Okay, connect. Go to the videos part. Nor so fast.
在古村扎堆的广州，很多村子单看村名就显得藏龙卧虎，非同凡响。
Oh, nice.
比如海珠的龙潭村，荔湾的巨龙村，黄埔的深
井村。
而在花都西部的山岭之中，更是藏着一座连名字都透着书卷气的古村——藏书院村。村如其名，藏书院村里的古建筑典雅脱俗。
Okay, thanks for watching. This is a very quick and simple test of the keyboard and touch pen test about AGM Pad 2. Thanks. Bye bye.